Children, the next topic in English grammar, that is English language, is verbs. Verbs are the most important part of speech. Okay? They are the most important part of a sentence. No sentence is possible without a verb. So please be very attentive while I explain. Verbs, as you know, are doing words, action words. Whatever you do, you drink, you eat, you sleep, you write, you read. These are all words that show action. Okay? So verbs are words that show action. They also tell us what the people, animal, or things, what they are or what they have. Okay? That means they show action, they show the state, and they also show possession. I will explain with example. See, let us read this. Verbs are words that show action. They tell us what people, animals, and things are, what they have, and what they do, think, say, or feel. Okay? Now, you know people, animals, and things. These are nouns. So, they describe what the noun, that is, what the subject is doing or saying or having. Clear? See the first sentence. Fana's mother is a teacher. See, is highlighted in red color. So, it is showing what Fana's mother is. Now, Fana's mother in this sentence is the doer. Doer means she is the subject. So, what is she? She is a teacher. So, is a verb. Okay. Next, my father has a white car. Now, this is showing possession. What the doer has. What does my father have? He has a white car. So, has is verb. I was happy to see my aunt. Now, I was. This is the doer I, how it feels, how the doer is feeling. I was happy. How did I feel? I was happy to see my aunt. So, was and see, these are verbs. I wrote 2 letters this morning. Now, in this sentence, the verb is wrote. What the doer does. What did I do this morning? I wrote a letter. Now, here there are mixed children. Some are in present tense, some verbs are in past tense. Okay? Neil said hello to his aunt when he met her. Now, what the doer Neil says and does? He said hello. And what did he do? When he met his aunt, he said hello. Clear? So, is, has, was, see, wrote, said, met. These are all verbs in these examples. Now, there are main verbs and there are helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. All right. Now, what are they? See, is, am, are, has, have. These are all helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. And main verbs are that show action, like see, read, eat, dance, drink, read, clap, and so on. There are many verbs. Okay. Now we'll begin exercise A. Underline the nouns and circle the verbs in the sentences. The first sentence is, the farmer planted wheat in the field. Now, what are the nouns, naming words in this sentence? Farmer, wheat, and field. Okay, these three are nouns, so you will underline them. And what is the verb in the sentence? Planted. He planted, the farmer planted wheat in the field. Next, the dancer dances gracefully. Now, dancer is noun. The word dancer is noun. So you will underline, and what will you circle? Dances, because she is dancing. So the dance is showing action. Clear? Try to do the remaining three. Now next, this is very, very important, children. Verbs change form according to the number of nouns they tell us about. Just remember, when you talk about one person, we have to see that the verb also agrees to this subject. Like the use of is. We use it with singular subject when the noun is singular or the pronoun is singular. He is, she is, it is. Riya is, Raj is, Vipin is, the school is, Jabalpur is. Okay, these are singular. So we will use is. Am is used with pronoun I am. And when we talk about plural nouns, that is when the nouns are more than one, then we use are. Okay, this is in present tense. Am is are. The children are, the teachers are, birds are. Okay. When we have to use the main verb, then you have to be very particular. When you speak, you write, or you fill these blanks. You have to use the verb where, and it should agree with the subject, that is noun. My sister swims in the pool. Okay, this is singular noun. Whom we are talking about? My sister. Now sister is singular, so you will use swims. My sister swims in the pool. Next sentence is my sisters. Now the noun is plural, the subject is plural, sisters. So how we will use the verb? Swim. My sisters swim in the pool. This is very important, children. Always remember when you speak or you write. My sister swims. My sisters swim. A bird flies. Birds fly. The boy plays. The boys play. Clear? Now, keeping this rule in mind, let us solve exercise B. Look at each picture and tick the correct sentence. Now, there is a picture. Here, a boy and a girl, they are running. Now, there are two sentences given. You have to choose which one is correct. The children runs in the garden. And second is the children run in the garden. Now, the word children, this is a plural noun. Okay, plural, more than one. If it is one, then we use the word child. And plural is children. So the correct sentence is, the children run in the garden. Okay, next. The bunny hops across the field. And second is, the bunnies hops across the field. Now, you can see the picture. There is one bunny. So you will use S in the verb. So the correct sentence is the top one. The bunny hops across the field. Remaining three sentences are given on the next page. you tick the correct sentence. All right. The ball rolls down the hill, or the balls roll down the hill. Now you have to see the picture and then tick, children. So these sentence number 3, 4, 5, please do. And remember, whenever you speak, you write, please use the verbs correctly. Okay?